Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change subtitle size on Netflix app. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and after that go and click on My Netflix. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. And from Account, you have to click on the link on the top of the screen, netflix.com/more. Click on it. And after that, click Continue. It will open your Netflix account. Click on Manage Account. And here, put your Netflix username and password. And from here, you have to go and click on View All Settings. And here, you have to scroll down until you will find Edit Settings. Scroll down here a little bit until you find Subtitle Appearance. Click on it. And here, as you can see, you can control everything. You can control the font of Netflix. You can control also the size of the subtitles, and you can control also the color of the subtitles. And of course, after you choose everything, you have just to click on Save. And like that, you will change the size of the subtitle on your Netflix. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.